Hello, my name's Daniel here at Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition finished in Dolphin Grey. This Golf R features the 2-litre TSI petrol engine paired with the DSG automatic gearbox and 4Motion all-wheel drive to deliver a very impressive driving experience. This R sits very nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels, and it features matrix LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. It also comes fitted with the optional extra Akrapovic exhaust system that delivers a beautiful sound. Taking a look in the boot now, you will find 341 litres of space. This is the perfect amount for your average day-to-day life. For example, you can fit a weekly shopping with no issue. Taking a look inside, to the rear you have your beautiful leather interior with the blue detailing. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top you have the panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. Moving to the front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel to the left you have your adaptive cruise control, and to the right there's controls for the digital cockpit in the instrument cluster. On the digital cockpit you've got access to a range of different driving data. You can customise the information shown on the dials to suit your own preference, allowing you to add your own personal touch. Centred here in the dashboard you have the touchscreen infotainment system, providing you with access to a wide range of different features like DAB and FM radio, or you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. This is the Bluetooth telephone menu, and the system is also compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you can keep well connected with your phone while on the go. You'll also find navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Also on the system you have your dual zone automatic climate control. There's heated and ventilated front seats, as well as a heated steering wheel to keep you at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. Throughout the interior you have the fantastic Harman Kardon sound system that makes listening to music even more enjoyable. You'll find speakers all throughout the interior. In the centre console you have your automatic gear selector along with the electronic handbrake. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition finished in Dolphin Grey. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.